Welcome to the tutorial of a custom timeline in C++ that will achieve this crouching function for us. So I'll just compile, make sure everything's up to date, and show you what I did and how you can do it too. So you can see that still works. Any character, there's nothing but this line trace for when I press E. So in C++, forward declare a ucurve float because we need that, include the timeline component, and then make a ucurve float that's edit anywhere so that we can access it in Blueprint, so that we can create a float curve and add that through the character in the editor. Make an f timeline, the crouching timeline. Make two u functions, that's the update and the finished method. In begin play, make an f on timeline float, the progress update, f on timeline event, the finished event. You bind a u function to this class, and then you put f name and then the update name. Same with the finished function. To add the interpolation float, which is like the update method in Blueprints, you add the crouching curve and the progress update and the crouching timeline. And then here you have the crouching timeline, and then you set the finished function to the finished event. And the update method, all I'm doing is lerping between the capsule's half height and the new half height, and then finish does nothing. When I press shift, I start the crouch, which plays, and when I unpress shift, I release it, I stop the crouch, which reverses it. So I play that, that's basically what this does. The curve float is just basically a float between 0, 0 and 0.15 and 1. That's all that this is doing, and that's interpolating between the capsule half height and making a smooth crouching action. There are bugs where if you're underneath geometry, it will not actually work because you'll get stuck when you uncrouch. You can just add your own check to only uncrouch when that happens.